In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by selecting Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Then hit Emergency Contacts. Tap on Add Emergency Contact and tap on all of the ones that you wish to add. When you finished, hit Done at the bottom. As you can see, all of mine were successfully added. To delete some or all of them, use those three dots at the top right corner, hit Remove, select all of the ones that you wish to get rid of and tap on Remove at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!